Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online classes. Today's date is 21/9/2020 and we were reading lesson number 10, Keeping Clean and Healthy. We have read already in session number 1, Keep Your Body Clean, and this is our session number 2. In this session, we will read the next topics. So first, recap the previous session. After that, we will start the new session. So students, this is the chapter Keeping Clean and Healthy, lesson number 10. And this is the second session. First, we will revise the first session. What we have read already in the session number 1. Our body is unique and precious. In the last session, we read that your body, everyone's body is very precious for that person. So you have to take care of our body and we have to take care of our surroundings, our near areas. We have to take care, we have to keep it clean also for keep ourselves healthy. In the first part, in the first session, in the first topic, we read keep your body clean. In this first session, we read keep your body clean. In this topic, we read different types of works we have to do to keep our body clean. Well, let's recap that. If you keep your body clean, you will stay healthy. Given below are some good habits. Follow them to keep yourself clean. If you have to keep your body, then you will be stay healthy. If you will keep yourself clean, then you will be healthy. You will not become ill. Very nice. First, take a bath every day. We should take a bath every day. Brush your teeth twice a day. You remember? First in the morning and second in the before the bed. Yeah. Once in the morning and once at bedtime. Pare your nails regularly. We have to trim, we have to cut, we have to pare our nails regularly. Keep your hair neat and well combed. We have to keep our hair neat and well combed. Next. Clean your ears and nose regularly. We have to clean our ears. We have to clean our ear wax with the help of bud. You will not do by yourself. You have to take help for this work. Your parents. You have to keep your ears clean and nose also regularly. Wash your hands before and after each meal. We have learned already before the meal and after the meal. Whatever you are going to eat, first you have to wash your hand. Very good. And after eating, you have to wash your hand. Next, rinse your mouth after each meal. You have seen this picture also. Whenever you eat something, after eating, when you finish your meal, you have to put some water inside your mouth. Rinse your mouth. If you will rinse your mouth, then all small particles which is stuck with your teeth, it will come outside and your teeth will be healthy. Next, wash your hands every time you use the washroom. We read already, whenever you use washroom, we have to wash our hand with the help of soap and water. Next one, wear clean clothes. We have to wear clean clothes, and you have seen these pictures also. The boy is bathing to keep ourselves clean. The boy is brushing teeth to keep his teeth clean. The boy wears clean clothes because clean clothes will not bad for our health. Clean clothes will increase our health. Clean cloth is good for our skin. Next one, washing hand. The boy is washing hand. Every time you have to wash your hand, then you have to eat something. It will be healthy for your stomach. Combing hair. You should comb your hair regularly. Don't mess your hair here and there. Next, paring nails. It's very important. You should pare your nails regularly. If you will not pare your nails, germs will stuck in your nails and it will go inside your stomach with your food. Okay, so in this topic we read keep your body clean. In the first session number 1, we read about this. In this session, we will read that keep your surroundings clean. How you should keep your surroundings clean. First, to understand what is the meaning of surroundings clean. Surroundings mean your near areas, means your outside your house, even inside your house also. Your all around area, you should keep the clean to become healthy. It is very important to keep yourself clean to become healthy, but it's as important as body. You should keep your surroundings also clean. अपने आस पास की जगह को भी साफ रखना चाहिए to become a healthy person. And how you will keep your surroundings clean? Very important thing. Do not litter here and there. Don't throw the things. Don't throw garbage here and there. Don't urinate in the open areas. Don't spit on the walls and floors. Don't write anything on the wall. Do not write on the wall with pencil or pen anything. And very important thing is grow more plants. If plant will be there, then we will get oxygen very well. If we will get oxygen very well, then we will become healthy. So in this topic today we will read about keep your surroundings clean. How you will keep your surroundings clean? Let's page number 15. You open this page and read with me, students. Keep your surroundings clean. Clean surroundings keep you healthy. It's a very important thing. Clean surroundings. It means your near areas around you, around your house. If that place is clean, it means that it will help you to become healthy. Follow the steps given below to keep your surroundings clean. How you will keep your surroundings clean? You should keep your surroundings clean by following different types of works. You can see some different types of work. This boy is very good habit. This boy bad habit. This is also bad habit. This is good habit. And one more thing, student, I have given one clip in the session number 1. Have you seen that? If you have seen that, then very good, because it is related to the same topic, how to keep ourselves, how to keep our body clean. And today also I have given clip to how to keep your surroundings clean. So you will after this video you will go through that clips also, then you will better understand how to keep your surroundings clean. Okay, after this video see that videos also, that clips also. That clips is given in cartoon format, then you will understand better. Okay, so first one, how you will keep your surroundings clean. Do not litter. Do not litter means don't throw the waste material, don't throw the any garbage here and there. It means you should throw everything in the dustbin. Whatever is not useful, whatever is not is in use, you have to throw in the dustbin. Means always throw the garbage part, always throw the waste material in the dustbin. You can see this girl is throwing the dust in the dustbin only, not throwing outside. So it is a good manner, no? So you have to learn this good manner also. If any waste material is there, any garbage is there, you should throw that waste material, that garbage in the dustbin only. Don't throw outside. Okay, clear? Very good. Next, never spit on the floor or walls. Spit. What is the meaning of spit? You can see this boy is spitting outside. It's a very bad. Whenever you want to spit, go in the washroom and spit there. But don't spit on the wall or on the floor. This boy is spitting outside, no? So it's a good habit or bad habit? Yeah, it's a bad habit. This is the bad habit. So you have to increase. Don't spit here and there. You have to go in the washroom, then do whatever you want there. After that you come outside. This will help to keep yourself clean and keep your surroundings clean too. Okay, now next topic, next line is never urinate in open, use a washroom. Never urinate in open, use a washroom. Urinate means whenever you are feeling urine, then you have to ask. You are asking your teachers, no, may I go to toilet? You are asking like this, no, may I go to toilet? It means you are feeling urine inside urine bladder. So never urinate in open. You should go to washroom for your urine pass. Okay, don't urinate in open areas. It is not good for health and for other things also. So you have to go washroom. Use washroom whenever you feel urine. Whenever you feel you should go to washroom there, then you have to go washroom. Don't go outside. You have to go in washroom only. Related, that picture is not given, just you understand. वॉशरूम हमेशा वॉशरूम में ही जाना चाहिए, बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Next, do not write on the walls. You can see this boy is writing on the wall, no? It is good or bad? Very good. You know the answer. Yeah, this is the bad habit. You should not write anything on the wall. You remember whenever you are childhood, whenever you are small kids, you are writing on the walls with the pencil and colors. Writing, no? In your house also written on the so many walls with your pencil and colors. If you are not written, then very good. If you have written, then okay, you are kid that time, but now you understand it's a bad habit. So you don't do this bad, don't learn this bad habit, don't do this. You have to learn that we should write or color anything on your copy, in your copy, in your drawing copy, in your rough copy, wherever you want, but not on the walls. Okay, this is the bad habit. Write in your copy and the drawing copy, no problem, you can draw there, but writing on the wall, drawing on the wall, it is very bad. We can keep our surroundings clean by not writing on the walls. Okay, next, grow more plants. It's a very important thing to grow more plants. If plants will be there, then we can get fresh air. We can get fresh air to breathe. You can see this girl is planting, no? This girl is planting. Have you planted any time? Oh, some has planted already, some has not. If you have not planted anytime, just tell your parents, I want to plant any small seed. You can plant inside your house also. So you will do this experiment today. Plant something in your house. It's a very important thing. Plant any sapling. Sapling means a small plant, chota podha, sapling. It's a very important for oxygen, for fresh air. If we will plant more plants, we will grow more plants, then we will get fresh air, then we will get fresh air, fresh oxygen. Okay, that. So today we read that how we can keep our surroundings clean by doing this small works. Don't throw the garbage here and there, don't spit here and there. Throw the garbage in the dustbin. Don't write on the wall. Write in your copy, draw in your drawing copy, but don't write on the wall. You should plant more. You should grow more plants. Plants are very important for our health. Plants help to take fresh air. Plants help to many things, many ways. Plants help us many ways. Plants give us wood, plants give us fresh vegetable, fruits, etc., etc. So many things. Plants give many things. So plants are very important for our life. So you should plant at least grow one plant. Okay. So on your birthday or on today only, you can grow one plant. Okay. This is your homework. Whenever you want, on your birthday, no problem. On your birthday, you can grow one plant, or today you can, if you want to grow, then you can grow one plant. So this is the topic. Keep your surroundings clean. In the next session, session number 3, we will read how to keep our body healthy. how to keep our body healthy. And after this session, I have added some clips related to surroundings clean, how to keep our surroundings clean. Go through that clips also, then you will better understand how to keep your surroundings clean. Okay students, bye bye.